Hello everyone on Amazon. So for everyone who is looking at purchasing this Hamilton Beach stand bowl mixer, um, I'm gonna basically show you the speed action and why I think it's worth it. I haven't used it yet. I just opened it today, so here we go. So here's the bowl. As you can see, it is very deep. It is kind of heavy, so it can be a little heavy. So I would say it maybe weighs about 5 pounds or so. For somebody, maybe that could be too much. I don't know. But it works so far. I like the bowl action. This actually locks. So right here, there is a locking and unlocking. So you would twist it and then it unlocks and then you twist it back and it locks. It also has underneath at the bottom like these little suction cups. I just don't feel like lifting it right now, but there is some suction cup action so it doesn't move when it's mixing. So I think that's very good, smart technology as well. Here on the side, you'll see that it has little buttons to tell you which speeds work best and whatnot. It does also, I forgot to show, it does come with a little cover. So when you use it, you know, things don't splash and whatnot. So I'm gonna press this button here and you'll see this is the push button to make it lift. And there you go, and it lifts. So easy to clean. I haven't tried to take this off or anything like that, but that's that. Anyway, you press the button back because it locks. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with one hand, so let's see. I have to put the video down, so 1 second. Okay, sorry, back. I was not able to actually do it with one hand, so I actually put the video down. And anyway, going forward, here are the speed actions. So, turning it on. That's basically how it starts. On, this is the noise action from 1. That's the speed on 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5, and that's 6, and then that last one is 7. So, again, I haven't made anything yet, but of course I plan to. But I think it's worth it. So if you decide to purchase this, I think it's well worth the purchase price. Thanks for watching my video.